So I've been wanting to upgrade my workbench for a while now. While searching online, I found one from Esslinger made by Grobet out of the United States. So I ordered it. It came in 3 separate boxes. The price at the time of ordering was $699 plus tax and shipping. I decided to make a video of me assembling it just so you guys could see the process and the end result. I hope you enjoy. I was really pleased with the end result. The assembly process was simple and only took about 45 minutes. I left a link for the bench in the description. I will try to keep you all updated on my watchmaking journey.